In today's video, I'll show you how to post an item on Facebook Marketplace so you can quickly list and sell your products online. First, open your Facebook app. Next, click the Marketplace or Shop icon located at the bottom center of the screen. Then tap your profile icon. After that, click on your listings. Next, tap Create Listing. Choose one item. Then click Add Photos. Select the photo you want to upload and click Done. Now, enter the title of your item. Add the price. Then click Category. Scroll down and select mobile phones or the category that best fits your item. Next, click Condition and choose New or the correct condition for your product. You can also write a description if you want to provide more details about the item. After filling in the information, click Publish to post your listing. And that's it. That's how you post an item on Facebook Marketplace.